Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we're going to be unboxing Birchbox. So I'm a subscriber of Birchbox since November, and the reason why I subscribed was because they had a special offer of 2 boxes for £5. I was like, why not give it a go? It's a great deal. Starting with November, there's the 2 boxes that I mentioned. The main theme was the Frozen movie, which recently came out. Personally, I love the first one. I haven't watched the second one still, but I will definitely watch it. I'm gonna start with that. So when you open the box, you've got the card with all the products explained. I'm going to be taking the items one by one and explaining if it's a sample, if it's a full-size product, the price, and so on and so forth. The first item in this box is Lys Watier, hope I'm pronouncing that correctly, lipstick in the shade Prune. Now this is a sample product, as you can see, and it's a pretty nice shade. Not something that I would reach for on a daily basis because it's more of a kind of mauvey shimmery color. I'm just gonna swatch that for you. As you can see, it's quite sheer when you swatch it first. You really have to kind of build it up to get the desired color, but it's not a bad thing to throw in your purse when you're on the go and you don't have much space. It doesn't have any unusual scent. It smells very lipsticky. It kind of reminds me of that old lipstick scent when I was little. And the full size of that product retails for £23. Yikes, that's almost as much as a Charlotte Tilbury lipstick. Don't know about that. The next product in the box is a lip pencil from the brand Bodeography, and it's in the shade Heatherberry. It's a pretty nice pink shade. This is definitely more of an everyday color, and I quite like this product. Obviously this is a full-size product and it retails for £11. Next product in the box is a sheet mask. This is the biggest product that we have in the box. It's called Sparkle Like a Unicorn Illuminating Sheet Mask for tired or dull skin. And it looks like this. This is a full-size product and it retails for £5. I'm pretty excited to try it, so stay tuned. I might mention it in one of my next videos. The next product in the box is Balance Me 100% Natural Congested Skin Serum. This is a sample size product and it retails for £16. And the card says that even the most diligent skincare routine can't always prevent a breakout. Fortunately, whether it's one pimple or a blemish battlefield, this soothing serum works to balance your skin and refine pores. Smooth a thin layer before you moisturizer or dab directly onto blemishes as a spot treatment. Oh, so this is a blemish spot serum, I suppose. I'm gonna have to try that out. I haven't tried that. I haven't tried any of the products yet apart from that lip pencil, and I'm pretty happy about it. And then the final product in the box is from the brand number 4, and it's the Jour de Temps Blow Dry Lotion. You don't need to see a stylist to a perfect glossy blow dry. Part thermal protector and part leave-in treatment. This lotion helps your hair dry up to 50% faster, and it's packed with natural botanicals to keep your strands healthy and smooth. Sounds great. I'm gonna give that a try. So that was box 1 of 2 for the month of November, and now we're gonna move on to the second one, which looks like this. And there we have the card explaining the products. I'm gonna need that. The first product that we have in the box is from Estate Cosmetics in the shade Doomy, and it is a baked highlighting powder. I was very excited for this product, especially because I'm a highlighter junkie, and this is how it looks. It's very reflective, just how I like it, and I'll definitely be trying that in one of my next videos. Oh, and I forgot to mention that this product is a full size and it retails for £10. The next product in the box is very exciting. This is Benefit the Professional Primer. Obviously that's a sample, but if you don't want to commit straight away to this lovely primer, then this is a great chance for you to try it out. As mentioned, this is a sample product and it retails for £28. The next product in the box is from the brand Vita Masks, and it's a diamond wait a second. Diamond eye pads. Whether it's late Netflix fueled nights or a tiring commute, chances are your eyes could use some TLC. Enter this all-star blend of diamond powder, yes, really, and caffeine to hydrate. Oh, so this is a powder. Interesting. And caffeine to hydrate, brighten, and depuff. Apply a pad to each under eye, relax for 10 to 15 minutes, and voila! I'll definitely be giving that a try. I've never tried a powder eye mask, so let's have a look. Right, okay, so next product in the box is from the brand Humankind, which is a body souffle. This is a sample size, and the full size retails for $16.45. It's pretty up there in price. Let's give it a sniff. It's pretty nice. I will definitely travel with this, but I wouldn't use it as a body lotion because this is way too little for me. I'll probably use this as hand cream, but it's still a pretty good option to try this brand. I'm definitely gonna throw that in my purse and use it as hand cream. And then the last item that we have is from the brand Balance Me Again. And it's a Wonder Eye Cream. This is a sample size product, and the full size retails for £20. Perk up your peepers with this wonderful full multitasking eye cream using a unique blend of Roman chamomile, virgin coconut, cucumber, rosehip, and carrot oils. It will depuff, soften, and smooth, and brighten. That sounds very promising, so I'll definitely be trying that because my eye cream just finished, and I'll give you guys an update in one of my next videos. So that was for the second box of November, and now we're going to move to the December box slash pouch. When I saw online that it was going to be a pouch, I was really excited because you can never have too many of these. Plus it's very, very cute and covered with cat hair because my cats go everywhere. Alright, so when you open the bag, first we're going to need the card so we can read the products. And then the first and most exciting product that we have is a eyeshadow palette. I've already swatched this. It looks like this. Let me just swatch this for you guys. So and then this one. It's a pretty warm palette. These colors I wear on a daily basis, and I'm very excited to throw that in my purse and use it on the go. This is a full-size product and it retails for £9. It's from the brand Forgive Me Susie. I've never heard of this brand, and it's obviously an eyeshadow palette. The next product in the box is a brush. As you can see, mine is already dirty because I tried that on with the eyeshadow. It's from Birchbox, and it claims to be a vegan and cruelty-free brush that can be used to add depth and definition and will blend and blur eyeshadow together seamlessly and evenly. I can vouch for that. It does a good job. The next product that we have is this soap from the brand Daily Concepts, and it's a multi-functional soap sponge mother of pearl. Sounds very interesting. As you can see, I have not opened this yet because I'm planning to take it on a trip with me next month and see how it works. It claims to be suitable for both face and body. This 2-in-1 soap sponge combines a radiance boosting cleanser with a gentle exfoliator so you can skip a step in your routine. Ideal for busy winter months. Okay, sounds great. We'll give that a try. Next product in the bag is a hair mask from the brand. Oh, forgot to mention that the soap retails for £6 and this is a full size. Okay, back to the hair mask. It's from the brand Percy and Reed. Totally TLC hydrating mask. And on the mask says, need a rescue remedy fast. This indulgent treatment helps to nourish and deeply condition stressed while enhancing manageability, softness, and shine. I honestly have so many hair masks, but I'll definitely give that a try as soon as I have a chance. This is a sample product and the full size retails for £22. Okay. Next product in the box is from the brand Brave New Care, and it's a Twinkle Twinkle hair and body shimmer. I don't remember seeing this. Hair and body shimmer. Oh, that smells so good. It has a lovely minty scent, but it's mixed with a bit of perfume. I'm just gonna take a bit from the cap and swatch it for you guys. I'm not a huge fan of body shimmers. I really don't like putting anything on my body that's not lotion because I just don't feel comfortable. You probably won't be able to see it from my lights, but it does have a shimmer. It does give you a little bit of color as well. I'm gonna be honest, I'm probably not gonna use this, so I'm gonna give it to a friend. But if you are into these kind of stuff, then I'm sure you'll definitely enjoy that. This is a sample product and the full size product retails for £11.50. Cool. And last but not least, we've got this body cream from the brand Baja. This is a sample product and the full size product retails for £15.90. Let's give it a sniff. Oh, I've not even opened this. Okay. Just gonna give it. Oh, it's pink. Cool. It's very thick. It does feel moisturizing. Oh, it reminds me of a perfume my grandma used to have when I was a kid. I love this. I'll definitely be using this. So that was this month and last month's Birchboxes. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you're not a subscriber to Birchbox, then you should definitely give it a try. It's pretty cool getting new stuff that you could try out or give to friends, and it's not that expensive really. I think it was just £12 or £12.50, I'm not too sure, but it's definitely worth the price. Especially this month you get this cute pouch and some very nice products. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Follow me on my Instagram, ElizabethNova_, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.